Good day, guys. My name is Alberto Manar, and today we're going to do SRT521 Lab 10. It's anomaly detection within Elastic Stack. Okay, the purpose of this lab is to use Elastic machine learning to detect anomalies in the occurrence rates of the documents or events, rare occurrences of things, and numerical values outside of expected normal operation. So, as you can see, I installed the Elastic Search into my machine, but also I'll use the Elastic Cloud interchangeably because I have seen some demo. Some of them, they weren't successful to make the Elastic Cloud ML working, so I have a backup just in case. As you can see, guys, I downloaded the dataset from NASA Access Log and I save it in my computer, as you can see. Okay, so we're doing task 1 right now, and task 1 is about preparing the data, right? We've been told in the lab that we will have to translate or convert the time column into machine learning readable format, and so this is my Python program that just simply does that. Input file from the one I downloaded, and this is my output. And so this program will actually call this function, process CSV, and then this function will read it, and then it will call the function to convert the time. Then this is the function convert the time, and it will do all that, and it will output with this one. And so let me just show you the output file. Okay, this was the original file that was input from my Python program, and this is the converted one. As you can see, the time has been converted, and there are 1,048,574 records. As you can see, this is my cloud deployment. It was activated, and as you can see, this is my local Elasticsearch machine, localhost 5601, also running the machine learning jobs as I created here. So let's move on to task 3. Oops, sorry, I have to show task 2 about the index that was created and the doc counts, 1,048,575, and you'll have to go to settings, right, and the mappings right there. Okay, moving on to task 3, right? Task 3, you have to create 3 jobs to analyze them through visualization. Right, so go to machine learning jobs. I already created that over here. Job 1, 2, 3, right? Let's create 3 jobs. So let's start with job 1, right? And pretty much I noticed that some of the been asked in the lab has been omitted from the steps, so I just try the best I can to match up what the lab is asking for, right? And so pretty much here we can see the job settings and the job configuration, doc count, the span, bucket span, right? And data feed and search count, bucket count. Okay, so let's go and look at this job 1. Okay, guys, you can see, as you can see here, it itemized based on the top anomaly activity that you can see here, right? August 12, 1995. There's an anomaly there, and the way its rate is 98.46, so it's pretty high. The machine detected it, and the other way to see this is through this one here. So job 1, right? So we're gonna look at this closer in more granular view. This is almost like a visualization, right? But when you click on those, you can see the score is 80. Over here is 93, 98. So these are the web traffic that identify as anomaly by the machine learning and Elastic. So at this particular date, right? We can look also over here. Let's say we want to see that one. and we're gonna go look closer. So we can see here that that's anomaly score of 75. This has been high traffic, but the score is not really that heuristic traffic, so it scores low. Unlike this one, it's a heuristic traffic, even it's low. Maybe it carries like you know, it's the size of data, right, that was carried out. It's above from normal. It's not really high like a DDoS traffic, but the data it carries is the anomaly. So we can look at that further, investigate the traffic, the PCAP that was originally captured. Okay, let's try to look at job 2. We started with job 1 earlier, right? But you can see the process record that was mentioned here, right? This one seems like it processed the whole record, and because of what we are requesting in the job batch, this is just what it's picked up by the machine the ML, right? So yeah, we just go to job 2 right now and look at the job config, job settings. All right, 5 minutes, the same thing. You can look at it much closer view. And so let's go and look at the Anomaly Explorer. The same data set, guys. It's just we're looking at this a different request from the jobs, what we're trying to do. Okay, let's look at this again. So this time, high count by response over host. So we can select a particular host here, and we can see the severity by the color, where the red ones are most likely the anomaly, right? So yeah, so it says by that IP address at a certain date, it's showing this anomaly. So let's look at that. So by just looking at that, and we put our magnifying glass over there on the 80, it says we have this anomaly, and the record score is 87.181. It's quite high, so we can investigate this traffic more at the granular level, right? This is what the machine learning had reported to us. As you can see, this is the whole. We're doing task 4 right now, and we try to visualize the data. This is the original data set. That's 1,048,575 hits, and we can see by time, right? So yeah, you see the host, and it's what kind of file it gets transmitted and so on. And this is the graph where I put the time range, right? And as you can see over here, the visualize, right? How the thing got busier, right? So it looked like there are multiple anomaly traffic on this date, and we can further investigate why only this date is actually making these anomalies here and not here or not there. We can say that that particular months we had opened up the guest Wi-Fi for the third-party people, and suddenly we have the spikes anomaly. So there could be some malware in their systems, right? But not necessarily in our network that doing those traffic. Because over here everything are fine. In here is that we will have to do some filtering on this site. So this is how I did it on job ID, job 1, job 3. We can say that that particular months we had opened up the guest Wi-Fi for the third-party people, and suddenly we have the spikes anomaly. So there could be some malware in their systems, right? But not necessarily in our network that doing those traffic. Because over here everything are fine. In here is that we will have to do some filtering on this side. So this is how I did it on job ID, job 1, job 3. And for the heat map, as we can see here, look like this IP address create more anomalies than everyone else in the stack. Okay guys, thank you for watching. We're done. This is the last task, which is task 4. I hope you enjoy my video and see you again next time. Have a nice day.